Now I'm at the Kobe Car Life Fiesta, where we have a lot of things having to do with cars, especially eco cars. Especially, look at this. Oh, wait a minute, that's not so eco. That's just a little bouncy house for little kids. Right behind me is the driving simulator. Wow, check it out. You can practice driving. Over here, if you follow me, you can sit on one of these big Honda police motorcycles. I'm not going to do that right now, but I'll do it later. Too many kids here. And if we keep on going, there's more stuff over here. Somewhere over here is a little teeny weeny little electric car. It's so small I can't find it. Where'd it go? Come on, let's keep going. You know, I like these cars, but I don't like the colors, sorry. Aqua, Prius, Brown, Gas. Here we go. Check this out. How'd you like to drive this through the Australian desert? Look how small that is. It's a one-seater. But you got room for like a case of beer down there. Yeah, that thing's pretty cool. I guess it goes 50 kilometers on one charge. 50 kilometers on one charge, that's not very far, but it'll get you to the liquor store and back. What's this all about? Ooh. Eco, safety, and drive. It's got a little lottery type thing here. I think what you do is you pick out a little paper and you get a prize. Thank you very much. Check this out. This is black. It's caffeine gum. Caffeine gum. Yay! I need caffeine. Thank you. Yeah, they spin this thing around and then you pull out a little ticket and you can get a prize. Hi, how are you? Check it out. JAF. That's the Japan Auto Federation, and that is similar to our AAA. JAF AAA, way to go. Thanks. Tires. In case someone slashes your tires, you're going to need a backup here. Check this out, Bridgestone. How much are tires here? Bye, everyone.